What is up guys, and welcome to this Mobirise tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to change the amount of images you have on each line in your Mobirise galleries. So by default it's set to 4, and then it's going to skip to the next line, and you have 4 again, next line, and so on. Say you want to change this number, all you need to do is go to edit code, and then you want to style the MBR gallery item class. So do .mbr gallery item, and you want to change the width. So by default the width is set to 25%, so 25 times 4 is 100, and then it skips to the next line. So let's say you want to change it to 3 images on each line, then all you need to do is change the width to 33%. Click save and close. And if it doesn't update right away, just change the viewport and then change it back, and it should be updating for you. If it doesn't, just try to preview it in the browser and see if that fixes the problem for you. Okay, so next up, what if we don't just want to change this value statically from the code editor, but we actually want to be able to dynamically change it through the block parameters panel? Well, what we can do then is add a new range. So go back into the code editor and do input type range and give it a title. So I'll call it columns. Give it a name. We'll call it calls. And then give it a minimum value. I want the minimum amount of images per line to be set to 1. And the maximum 5, and then I want it to increase by 1, so step equals 1, and I'll give it a default value of 4. Okay, in order for this to actually work though, we need to make use of this number in the CSS. So the way you do that is by using this variable right here, calls, which stores this value. So scroll down until you find the MBR gallery item that we wrote up earlier, and then remove the 33% here and do parentheses, and you want 100% divided by the variable, so at calls, and then close that out and click save and close. And now you can actually change the amount of images that should show up on each line using the slider right here. So that's how you do that. And if for some reason it doesn't update, again, try to change the viewport or just preview it in the browser. I hope you guys found this video useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.